A series of small decisions and tiny habits that we routinely make is what will determine the outcome at the end of the day. What's going on, guys? Gabe Rocha here with the Rocha Health Center for Men and Peak Performance. I just got home from a amazing 7-week trip to Nicaragua. It was one of the most cool experiences of my entire life. Got to share it with my family, and so lots of fun. So wanted to one day, we'll tell you all the details about it, but there was actually something that I learned, a huge piece of insight that I realized that during those 7 weeks I was missing in life, and I really longed for. Something that is something that we probably take for granted when we're on the 9 to 5 Monday through Friday grind. And so as amazing as it was something that really helps with peak performance. And so when achieving peak performance, this one thing is huge. And again, I missed it for 7 weeks. And so what is that? It's a routine. During the 7 weeks, there was chaos. When I say chaos, I mean there was a couple of things that happened that you just, one in a million chance. So about 12 hours into our trip in Nicaragua, I had to have an emergency appendectomy. 12 hours into the trip, we had a tropical storm that derailed us for a few days. We literally had to evacuate out of our beach home for a few days. The great things while traveling, especially in my home country of Nicaragua, we had family and friends and people coming to see us, which was amazing. However, there was never a dull moment, and so you never knew what to expect from one day to the next. So lots of chaos while we were there in Nicaragua. Again, amazing experience, amazing trip. But back to this one piece of insight that I had, which was how important our routine is, especially a morning routine. And so what is a routine? It's how we sleep, it's how we eat, how we drink, how we move, how we think. All these different things are incredibly important for how to implement a new routine. And so, why is a routine so important? Because how we do one thing is how we do everything. Our life is what we make it. And the series of small decisions and tiny habits that we routinely make is what will determine the outcome at the end of the day, right? So those small habits, added all up over years and decades, that's life, and that's what we end up with, right? So it's amazing because we are in control. So what better way to ensure that you're making the most of our one opportunity here on this earth than to ingrain a solid daily routine to maximize your health and your life? And so with that being said, I wanted to offer this amazing gift to you folks, our gift to you, a morning routine that can quite literally transform your life, transform your health, and get you started on that right path to kicking ass and getting things going in the right direction. So can't wait to hear all the amazing stories about how this morning routine is impacting your guys' lives. Lots of love. God bless. We'll see you soon. We hope you got incredible value, and if you did, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Make sure and hit the subscription button, the bell, the notification button down below. We are on a mission to help 1 million men and their families improve their health,